Did you know that more than 2 billion kilograms of sheep wool is harvested every year? And our warm winter clothes are made from this wool. But the question is, how is such beautiful cloth made from sheep wool?
Let's take a look at the whole process today. And for this, we are going to New Zealand, one of the world's leading countries in wool production.
The sheep are first gathered in one place. Then their bodies are checked to see what the quality of the wool is. Then come the skilled workers, the shearers. They cut the wool very carefully with special machines so that there is no harm to the sheep.
A skilled shearer can shear 200 to 250 sheep in a day. That is, it takes only 1 to 2 minutes for a sheep. First, the dirty wool on the belly is cut. Then the white and good quality wool on the back is cut. Finally, the fur on the face, ears, and spine is trimmed. After the wool is cut, it is spread out on a table and the bad parts are separated. Then the wool goes to the factory. First, the dust is removed by a machine. Then it is washed in hot water, about 77 to 82 degrees Celsius, with mild soap. In this step, the oil and dirt on the wool are completely removed. A total of 6 washing steps are performed, 3 in soapy water and 3 in clean water. Then the wool is dried in a hot air drum. This machine can dry the wool very quickly and takes up less space. After drying, the wool is checked again. Then carding begins, that is, combing the wool. The wool fibers are straightened with an iron brush. Then narrow strips are made from them and spun on a spinning wheel to make yarn. Now the real magic begins. The threads are arranged in 2 ways to weave the cloth, longitudinal and crosswise. These 2 threads are placed on the loom and the cloth is made. It takes about 2 days to prepare a loom in this process. Once the cloth is made, it is checked. If there are any mistakes, they are fixed. Then the cloth is washed in hot water and compressed a little to make it thicker and warmer. Some cloth is dyed. Some chemicals are used to prevent insects. Finally, the cloth goes to the sewing factory. There it is made scarves, sheets, clothes, and labels and finishing touches are added. This is how the great warm clothes we use are made from ordinary sheep wool. Don't forget to let us know how you like the video in the comments. Subscribe for more great videos like this.